Good morning, and it's a beautiful beach day. We can't wait to go to the beach. We're a little tired, we slept really late, but yeah, looking forward to the day. Just gonna start with our bamboo brush, dental crush toothpaste, face wash, get ready for breakfast. Are the fruits, salads, parfait, and you can kind of make your own fruit bowl, yogurt bowl. So these are the safety precautions that they are taking. They've got an entire area over here, and you gotta wait in line for whatever it is you want to order. They've got masks and gloves. And well, that's the X station, right? So guys, I'm picking some Indian breakfast. Well, I can't really touch anything. The chefs are all serving it to the plate. Getting some poha, which is my absolute favorite, and some aloo paratha. So I've just gotten myself some Indian breakfast. Now that's the pancake and waffle, and I believe crepe station. So, and I think we're gonna get some breads. Ain't that my favoriteest? Okay, again the gentleman serving us here. Guys, genuinely, I still have some crumbs on me. Super croissant. I want to show you guys how crisp it is. So good. Hi guys, so this is the pool area. They've got all of these cabanas by the pool. You guys can see that's the area. Hi guys, we've just woken out of a little slumber. That's Varun, that's the beach. I can't tell you guys, for anybody who's not tried this, please try it. Hi guys, and we are now leaving this beautiful resort. It was an amazing trip. Want to say hi? Actually, you already did.
I already did. I'm very upset. Why did we leave? Why did we have to leave so soon? We could have stayed for a night.
It really feels like we just came and we're already leaving. But wow. It's not about taking a staycation. It's not about doing something like fancy. It's just about taking a break. And I know it sounds repetitive, but we literally were on like reset mode. You probably can see from the way we both look right now. We are quite relaxed, sleepy 100%, but what a vacation and what quality time we've spent with friends. I think that's amazing. And of course I've tanned a lot, but I'm so ready to do this now. When I go back to work, I'm feeling really good. But I know one thing for sure, that at least for both Varun and me, it's not about taking staycations for like luxury getaways. It's about just being able to enjoy, unwind, and get ourselves back on track to actually focus on our priorities. I don't think we both can just continue in like a monotonous routine. So this was much needed. Guys, good morning, and we are back home after this amazing long weekend. We were really tired yesterday after coming back, so we kind of just had a quick dinner and crashed. I think we slept at like 9:30. We got back home, I want to say around 8. Quickly had dinner and then just slept because we were too tired from the drive and the fact that we had slept really late the previous night. It's not like we were tired from our vacation, and we really wanted to make the most of our pool over there, pool and beach, because we didn't really get to go to the beach the first day for as long as we would have liked. So yesterday we kind of wrapped up everything, and then like our checkout process took a little longer than expected. We had some small issues I'll tell you guys about when I do like a more detailed vlog on our stay in our hotel at Intercon. But overall it was absolutely and everything that I needed. Anyway, so long story short, we had a great staycation, and now I have a ton of work because we have an active competition ongoing on Beauty Binge. So this Pink October, we wanted to celebrate women. And so we've partnered with some amazing women-led businesses in Dubai, and we're doing like a dirhams 1,000+ giveaway for any inspiring woman that people vote for. Not vote, but you basically like tag an inspiring woman in your life, and then we pick the best story, and then that person gets this giveaway. Instead of us just doing a random competition or giveaway just for engagement, we thought, why not add meaning to what we're doing? So we have that campaign, and then just a lot of other things. Like I told you guys, we have some really cool new packaging also for BB for these upcoming occasions, so I need to work on that. And so I'm going to talk to you guys in just a little while. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Bye.